Hi, I'm J.R. Nidlinger with Cajun Archery, and we're here today to take a look at the Sucker Punch bow fishing bow. The Sucker Punch has been developed from the ground up with the extremes of bow fishing in mind. This bow is 32 1/4 inch axle to axle, has a 7 1/4 inch brace height, and has a peak weight of 50 pounds. The Sucker Punch includes two interchangeable draw modules, a constant draw module and a draw specific module with 60% let off, both providing draw length adjustments from 17 inches to 31 inches. The deep cam grooves on this bow are designed to prevent derailment while swatting through sedge or banging around the boat bottom, so it is always ready to go. The Sucker Punch is available as a bow only or in a ready-to-fish package. The RTF package features our fishing biscuit arrow rest, new Cajun hybrid bow fishing reel, Cajun blister buster finger pads, and two white fiberglass arrows with piranha points to provide the most complete and effective bow fishing kit on the market. From everyone at Cajun Archery, thank you for your interest in the Sucker Punch bow fishing bow.
Hi, thank you for taking a look at the Kingfisher. Kingfisher is a 56-inch recurve bow. It comes with a spool, line, arrow, rest, finger savers. So this is a great, inexpensive way to get yourself into bow fishing, going out and being able to shoot live at a lot of different fish and have a lot of fun in the summer. So thank you for taking a look at the Kingfisher.
You can't go wrong with this fish stick bow fishing bow if you are just starting to getting interested in the sport. This whole bow is made with composite takedown limbs and an aluminum riser. If you travel a lot and you like to carry your bow fishing bow with you, this bow can be disassembled into pieces and you can transport and store it rather simply. Once you assemble this bow, it will have the draw weight of around 45 pounds, which is more than enough if you plan to catch even large fish. From tip to tip, it measures around 56 inches. This bow also comes with a roller rest, a piranha-tipped arrow, drum reel with line, and finger savers. This is pretty important to mention as all of these features both increase the quality of your experience with the bow and make the price of the set more attractive. You can use this bow immediately when you get it out of the box as it won't be disassembled in the package. The good thing about it is that it is good for both beginners and veteran bow fishers. Everyone can enjoy this amazing product. Considering everything that's included in this Cajun bow fishing set, this might even be the best option for the money. One of the premium arrow manufacturers famous for their broadhead designs, Muzzy, are very well respected in the target sports community. This is a premium package with their trademark quality that is built to reel in the big fish. It features a professional push-button reel, pre-spooled with 150 feet of 150 pounds tournament line. There's an integrated reel seat, Muzzy fish hook rest, a classic white fish arrow with a carp point and knock, and glove-free finger guards pre-installed on the string. Draw weight is simple to adjust from 30 to 40 pounds and the easy-to-maneuver 30-inch axle-to-axle bow fires arrows up to 320 feet per second. Power and precision in one quality package. Quality through and through, this is another excellent Muzzy addition to target sports. Whether you're a beginner or an old pro, Muzzy has you covered with the vise. If you are looking for an item to start your journey in bow fishing, then this kit is perfect for you. The kit includes high-quality bow, spinning reel, and one fiberglass arrow for piranha. Over the past few years, Cajun has constantly come up with unusual designs for their bows. This model is a prime example. The comfortable carbon handle is very soft to the touch and provides a firm grip. Bright, fantastic bow. But its characteristics are just as impressive. With a small length and weight, it has a classic base. It is easily suitable for both sports and fishing because of its compactness. And it is still very soft, with a characteristic click, which is so appreciated by lovers of this brand. And keep in mind that Cajun offers a warranty. Classics will never go out of style. And this old man is in no way inferior to modern innovations. And in terms of accuracy, it surpasses many models. You can choose this product since each provides excellent value for the money.